Good day everyone, and welcome to the channel. Welcome to Review Radar. In this video I'm showing you how to send snaps from camera roll as a normal snap without media upload. So if you just want to send some kind of snap, we can just use presets that Snapchat kindly provides for us. You won't have to upload any media. So for that, you just go into the central part of your screen in the bottom to create a snap. In the upper right side of the screen, you click on the arrow to expand the menu, and in here you're choosing director mode. After that, you can use templates. As you can see, we have a button upload media. We are not pressing on that. Instead, press on templates on the bottom, and in here, as you can see, we have the templates that we can use. For example, I will just choose this one from the top. All right, here you can, for example, choose some kind of song that you wish to upload, and after that you can just save it and share it to your friends or to anyone else. Enjoy guys, if this helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.